Okay guys, I wanted to walk you through a quick video which will show us one of the features that we can use in SolidWorks to make it a lot easier for us to upload our assemblies to Blackboard. So as an example here, I have the Lab 4 pump assembly. It's ready to go and I would like to upload this, say, as a design project submission. What I can do is at the top of SolidWorks, click File, scroll down and click Pack and Go. I'll be presented with this dialog box here. Right away we can see that the large assembly that was opened here in the case of the pump assembly is listed in this tree along with all of the files that were open. So we can see here my files that are in use in this assembly. They're also labeled here as well. Because I've selected include drawings up here at the top, we'll see that any drawing that is associated with a part or assembly file within this tree is also labeled. So this is useful for copying over your drawing files, say for a custom designed door or a custom base or something of that sort. If there's a drawing that's associated with the file, it will also be saved to the new location. Then I need to select the Save To folder. So in this case, I've created a very simply named Lab 4 folder on my desktop. There is the option to save to a zip file, however I don't suggest using it because you will still need to add more files later before you can upload to Blackboard. The next thing I'm going to look at is flatten to single folder. I'd like to select this item here rather than flatten to minimal folders or keep the folder structure, because what this will do is copy all of the files that are in use in the assembly, all the ones listed here within the tree, and put them into a large folder with no subfolders. So that makes it a lot easier for the TA or whoever is marking your assignment. We can just quickly download your submission from Blackboard and pull up all of your files within one folder. Then click Save. And if we check on the desktop in that folder that I had pointed Pack and Go to, we can see here that the pump assembly, all of the components within that pump assembly, and the drawing file associated with any of the components here is labeled. So now if I needed to add additional files, say perhaps a hand-drawn sketch or another assembly or other files that are necessary for a MDP submission, then I could drop them in that folder. And then of course I could just use 7-zip and add to archive to save a zip or .7z folder. So we'll do a zip folder in this case right here. And then now I have a file which is ready to submit to Blackboard and has all of the files necessary for a design project submission.